Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the track you want to clean up and confirm levels are reasonable. Don't chase perfect takes. Once done, open Smart Controls, click Plugins, and insert Garageband's noise gate into an empty slot. This places processing before other effects. Make sure input monitoring is off so you hear the processed output, not doubled audio. This first step ensures the gate reacts to the real performance, which is why you begin here, rather than tweaking later effects. You'll now dial the threshold so the gate opens for wanted sound and closes for noise. Start high and lower it until quiet parts stop bleeding through. Then adjust reduction to control how much background energy is attenuated. Higher values give stronger muting, but can sound choppy. Once comfortable, play sections with voice or instrument and silent gaps, and tweak until the gate closes cleanly without clipping transients. Make small moves. Big jumps change character quickly, so listen and refine. Finish by shaping attack and release so the gate sounds natural. Use a fast attack to preserve transients and a moderate release to avoid abrupt cutoffs. Slower values preserve natural decay. Once you settle values, bypass the plugin to compare processed versus raw and make region-specific tweaks or automation where the gate misbehaves. If you hear pumping or missing transients, slightly raise threshold or lengthen release. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.